Welcome to MarineMax Pensacola. Today we're going to do a walkthrough of this 2019 Harris 250 Cruiser. This particular boat is powered by the new Mercury Verado 200 horsepower digital throttle shift, stainless steel ski tow bar, stainless steel ladder. This is the SL layout, which provides a lot of storage here on the transom locker. As we enter the boat, it has a flip-flop seat, storage under all the seats, trash can storage. Here at the helm, you've got the real high back chair, flip up armrest, tilt wheel steering, total lighting package, JL audio with a Simrad GPS. As we move forward, you have storage area here and an optional changing room. You have an in-floor ski locker and two large loungers forward. This concludes a walkthrough of the 2019 Harris 250 Cruiser. Come see us at MarineMax Pensacola.